Hi, this is Tanya and welcome to my channel Chef Tanya Rannaghar. Today I am making dhokla. Let's take besan, rava and sieve them in a bowl. Give sugar, salt, green chilies, grated ginger, oil, turmeric powder, lemon juice in the bowl and mix them well. Now add water slowly and create the batter. Whisk the batter thoroughly and rest it for 30 minutes. Take a cake tin and oil brush it. After 30 minutes, whisk the batter for 2 minutes. Add ENO into it, mix them well. You can also use a pinch of baking soda instead of ENO. Now transfer it to the cake tin. Now prepare a karhai, add water into it and put a rack into it. When bubbles get formed, place the cake tin on the rack and cover the karai for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, use a toothpick to check the dhokla is ready or not. If there is no strain in the toothpick, then the dhokla is ready. Now cools it down. Take another karai, add oil into it, temper with cumin, mustard seeds, hing, slitted green chilies and curry leaves into it. Now add water, salt, sugar into it and cook it for 2 minutes. Now demold the dhokla from the cake tin and cut them into pieces. If you love the video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. You can check the softness here. Now add the liquid in lukewarm stage from the top. Add coriander leaves and grated coconut from the top. Your dhokla is ready to serve. See you again on next video. Till then, tata.